Hi, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I wanted to basically educate people, newbies, new beginners, in regards to lashes. So that's probably why you clicked on this video. I am a lash tech located in Texas. I've been lashing for a good 5 years. That's crazy. I was a person who would Google everything about lash techs, new lash tech techniques and new beginnings and everything. So the fact that I'm 5 years in, I wanted to just share knowledge and tips and tricks so that you guys can feel comfortable in lashing and know that one day you will be a lash tech of 5 years, and you'll be happy with your work one day. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm happy with my work, so I want to share my work. I am currently doing a volume refill, actually Russian volume. I wanted to let you guys know about isolating. So there's all type of tips, all type of tricks in regards to lashing inner corners, lashing little eyes, big eyes. It's a whole bunch of videos out there, but I wanted to be very detailed on this type of video regarding isolating. So yeah, this is my first video, so please be patient with me if I'm saying or taking pauses. I'm nervous. It's my first time doing anything like this, but I definitely want to just start this process and continue to record and share tips and tricks. And so my first tip for a person who is beginning lashes, a beginner lash tech, you want to get you some good tweezers. Like, there's some good tweezers on Amazon, but sometimes they're not. And you can have the greatest reviews and you might get a batch of bad ones. But the tip for a good set is good tweezers. So my isolating tweezers, I did get those from Amazon. I like the way they're shaped for me. Some eyes, I notice, I do need a different set of tweezers. And I'm actually going to make a video about that. And so what you see me doing is creating a wide fan so that I can place in this Russian volume set. So you see the way I isolate? I use my fingers and my tweezers, which is super, super important so that you can take all the lashes out of the way so that you can place. I find that using handmade fans, however you want to say it, gives you a better retention. So you always want to make sure you have a good pair of tweezers, and not just one. You want to make sure you have at least, I say 10. I've been a lash tech for 5 years and I drop tweezers. I have multiple clients that come in and I want to use those tweezers that are dirty. So I have like a couple, backup ones so that I am comfortable in doing this set in a timely manner for one and a clean manner as well. So I wanted to let you guys see different types of POVs to get a better understanding of what it consists of. For me, I like to map. It will give you a more cleaner set versus if you're not mapping. What I notice is when you don't map, one eye does look a little bit off, but that could be the OCD in me. I don't know. But I know that I am not comfortable with not mapping. But if you don't want to map, that's okay. But make sure you isolate very well. So this is just me going in the lashes. I am going to stop talking now so that you can just look, observe, and hopefully you feel comfortable with lashing. Any type of lash. There's curly, and those stress me out. There's short. There's even blonde lashes. Blonde lashes are so hard to do. Like, I put that in the category of curly lashes. But yeah, I'm rambling and ranting right now. This is my first video, and I'm so happy that you tuned in. Okay, just take a look at what I got going on. And I did forget to put the ending results, but I'm gonna do that next time. I'm learning, you guys. I'm learning. All right, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.